Friends, now let me show you the office of our factory. What will be the environment be like? The first thing you come to is the front door of the office. Friends can see the name of our company on the wall, GEO Technology, which is very eye contact. Then enter the front desk of the office through the automatic door. You can see that it is very clean and spacious. The surrounding lines are very dazzling. The following is our sample room, where our power adapter products are placed. Friends, let's take a look. This is our power adapter and 96 volt high power desktop adapter. There are a lot of colors and styles for friends to choose, and we also support customized service. The following one is our aluminum cell power supply, which is mainly used in our LED lighting, power equipment, and other fields. Wow, friends, have you seen a lot of product certificates and honorary certificates now? This is the CCC certificate that our products have passed, as well as the KC certificate and the ETL certificate. Friends can see that the English name of our company is written on the certificates. These certificates are all applied by our company. Now friends can have an overview of the product certificate for different countries, the company's honorary certificates, and our patent certificates behind me at a glance. Now friends, take a look at the model patent certificate of our product. Friends, can you see the GEO Technology has a strong corporate strength? So in here are our other types of power adapters. This is EU power adapter. This one is our US power adapter with USB interface. Here is our fast charger. This one is an adapter with 6 USB ports, which supports connecting multiple devices at the same time. These two are our smaller form factor adapters with USB port and floating port design. Friends, see other types of adapter too. This is a UK power adapter. Friends can guess which of our products these three design styles are. By the way, it is our facial steam equipment, mainly used for cleansing of face skin, keeping it smooth and refreshed. The following products are also independently developed by us, and our brand name is marked on the products. Friends can see different colors, and we can customize products according to friends' needs. Welcome to tell us your customers' requirement. This is our power adapter with a convertible plug, which can replace the plugs of different countries, such as the United Kingdom, the United States, and Australia. It is universally and very convenient. Friends, here is the introduction of different products in our sample room. After learning about our different styles of power adapters, is there any product style you like? If you like our products, welcome to place an order now. Now let's continue to visit our office area. The first thing you feel is a very bright and spacious environment, isn't it? This is a completely different feeling than you are production place in a small workshop, and there is no messy environment at all. Then follow me and take a look again. You can see that our staff work very seriously, handling the daily affairs of the factory. Office items are also neatly graded. Next, let's take a look at our conference room. Friends can see a very long and large conference round table. There are projectors, video records, and other equipment. Every Monday, our leaders meet here to discuss and deal with the work situation to ensure the normal operation of our factory, faster and better production of products and delivery to customers. After visiting our conference room, friends, don't go away. Come and visit our library immediately. There are many equipments and instruments of ours. Wow, friends, do you know these equipments we together look? This is our simulated transportation vibration test machine, which is mainly used for the power adapter swing test to simulate the transportation process, continuous bounce and vibration, and whether the product maintains a good function and appearance. This is our small transportation vibration test machine, which is used to simulate the environmental power adapter involved in transportation during transportation. This is our horizontal plug-in force testing machine, which mainly used to test the plug-in force, put out force, plug-in speed, and so on. This is our salt spray testing machine, which evaluates the environmental test of the corrosion resistance of adapter products or metal materials. This is our wire bending and swing testing machine, which is mainly used to perform bending tests on the DC wire of our power adapter to test the bending resistance and performance of the products at a certain speed, angle, weight of the wire. This is our constant temperature and humidity test chamber. This is our vacuum package machine, which vacuums the inside of the package bag and then sells it to the form of vacuum in the bag. It sets the cell line of the adapter for easy storage and transport. This is our package machine. Ensure that the package will not scatter due to the poor binding during transportation and storage, and at the same time, it should be bound neatly and beautiful. Wow, friends, have you learned something new after introducing the environmental machine one by one? It can be seen that GEO technology has been pursuing the quality of products. Below is our small meeting room, which is mainly used for R&D colleagues to discuss new product solutions and develop new products. The environment also very clean and tidy. Friends, if you want to design a new product, welcome to send the power adapter design drawing. What do you think after visiting our office area on the 5th floor? Working in this comfortable environment will speed up our work efficiency and also motivate us to do our work better.